On this deal, we only closed on March 3rd, 2022. If you recall, the wholesaler contacted me in December. He had the file open in Patent in Dallas, title company. They kept having issues, and the file kept getting delayed. There were some title hiccup issues, but we stayed with it. We wanted the deal. We didn't terminate. We kept working, staying patient and diligent, and we ended up changing title companies from Patent to the title company we used to be our preferred title company at the time. We've moved on from there, but we moved the file to them, and then they got through it.